Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about hair loss and how to stop it. Hair loss is a common problem that affects many people. It can be caused by various factors, such as genetics, stress, hormonal changes, and medical conditions. However, there are ways to stop hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Firstly, let's discuss the causes of hair loss. The most common causes of hair loss are genetics, hormonal changes, and stress. Genetics play a significant role in hair loss, as some people are more prone to hair loss than others. Hormonal changes, such as those that occur during pregnancy or menopause, can also cause hair loss. Stress can cause hair loss by damaging the hair follicles, which leads to hair loss. However, there are ways to stop hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. One of the most effective ways to stop hair loss is by taking a hair growth supplement. Hair growth supplements contain ingredients that promote hair growth, such as biotin, keratin, and minoxidil. These supplements can help to strengthen the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Another way to stop hair loss is by practicing good hair care habits. Regular washing and conditioning can help to keep the hair clean and healthy, which can prevent hair loss. Avoiding heat styling tools, such as flat irons and curling irons, can also help to prevent damage to the hair follicles. If you are experiencing hair loss, it's important to visit a dermatologist. The dermatologist can diagnose the cause of your hair loss and recommend the best treatment options. Some treatments for hair loss include medications, such as minoxidil, and therapies, such as oral medications or laser therapy. In conclusion, hair loss is a common problem that can be caused by various factors. However, there are ways to stop hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Taking a hair growth supplement, practicing good hair care habits, and visiting a dermatologist can all help to prevent and treat hair loss. So, stay tuned for more videos on how to stop hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Thank you for watching.